Okay, to make this recipe, we're taking a half stick of butter or margarine and we are putting our pan in the oven and letting it melt. Okay, I have my butter melted. Now I am putting my baking mix in my bowl here. Then you can do seasoned salt or just salt and pepper, whatever you like. We like the seasoned salt. My recipe is in the description below. Right there. Just stir this around. Got my chicken that is on sale for $1.49 a pound. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your chicken, roll it, and then you're gonna roll it in your baking mix and put it skin side down first. Wheel and baking mix. Now, if you want to use more butter or margarine, you can. My oven is set at 350. Oops, oh, I forgot the butter and margarine. Okay, then we're gonna throw this in the oven for 50 minutes at 375, and then we're gonna turn it over and do 15 more minutes. Here's a little money saving tip. When you're done dipping your chicken, you don't wanna waste all of this really good flour mixture. So what I do is I put it in the freezer, then the bacteria from the chicken won't grow, and you can reuse it again for your next batch of chicken. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1 on page 251. The link is in the description below. Okay, after 50 minutes, we're going to flip them over, just like so. And then we're going to put them back in the oven for 15 more minutes. Okay, there's our oven fried chicken right there. Yum-a-rumma.